The recipe here is secret since 1837. This place is located at 510 meters above from the sea level, pretty high in Portugal.
Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take. You can see it if you close your eyes. We already know.
Right now I'm here in Lisbon. This is the second oldest city in Europe.
Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
So it's a pasta. It's called massa in Portuguese. This is my takeaway. Not bad. People are using these electric scooters a lot. I saw it almost everywhere in the city, which is good to some people, and some people will not agree with it. But still, this thing is growing like fast. This is the famous pink street here in Lisbon.
There's a stirring in the ocean. There's a rhythm in the waves. It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained.
Right behind me is the Pastel de Belem. This is the place really popular here in Lisbon. I heard a lot about these things. Normally it's called Pastel de Nata, but here the term is changed and it's called Pastel de Belem. So I've got one, so I just wanted to try this. The recipe here is secret since 1837. So this is quite old. I don't know what is the secret about. And this is the best part. It's very sweet. This is Belem Tower, located in Lisbon, and it's a 16th century fortifications. Back in time, it used to serve as a fortress and a ceremonial gateway to Lisbon.
Running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. We will go.
Another day, super tired and walking. Right behind me, that's Gingina. This is one of the famous shops here in Lisbon. Basically, it's alcohol made of cherry. I am walking towards station to get the train to Sintra, and I hope it's gonna be really good weather out there because right here it's raining. Right now I'm here inside the train station and I am waiting for the train to go in Sintra. Since the weather is really foggy and kind of cold, so let's start with the espresso. So let's go. So this is Sintra. I'm heading towards the castles up there because it's in a little bit top of the ground, so that is the reason maybe there is a lot of fog around here, as you can see right behind me, but it looks stunning.
So welcome to my paradise, guys!
The
My name is Leonardo, welcome to my tuk-tuk! This is a cork tree, okay guys? They are not original from Sintra. They can live in here because we have a microclimate working in our land, because the land of Sintra is between the Atlantic Ocean and the mountain. So basically we have a microclimate. Because of this is a good example of tree that can live in here. So to do the products, we do a cut around the tree and then we shave it, okay? After 8 or 10 years, depend the weather, the skin grow up again and then we do the same process. So it's very ecologic and we do a lot of money. We don't do this process in Sintra because, as I told you, they are not from here. They need a warm and dry weather to live. So if we do this process in here, what happens? It will take much more longer to grow up again. So we don't do that.
This is Pena Palace. This place is located at 510 meters above from the sea level, pretty high in Portugal. It's a little bit foggy day and a little bit disappointed because I could not see proper view from here, but still this place is looking stunning.